Hi, my name is Jay Guthrie. I'm with Advanced Presentation Systems, and I am here to give you a 50-cent tour of the new audiovisual systems in the simulated classrooms at the new College of Education building at the University of New Mexico. To connect a laptop to the AV system in the simulated classrooms, there's a designated laptop connection on the table with audio. On most laptops, there will be only one place to insert connect, and it'll only connect one way, so you can't do it wrong. It'll be the monitor output of the laptop. You'll take the green audio cable and connect it to the headphone jack, which on this particular laptop is on the opposite side of the VGA. We make that connection. It's better to make all your connections before you actually power up the system. It just helps for the projector and the laptop to sync. We've done that. If you'll step around this way, you'll see in all the simulated classrooms you have a connect panel where the laptop will connect to, and then the corresponding opposite end of the audio. The laptop is now turned on. You see the image here. Now we want to project into the room. From the touch panel, if the panel is asleep, in the sleep mode, it's dark. Tap it once, you'll see the UNM logo. Tap it again, and it will tell you to please select a hard button source to start the system. The hard button sources are on the left-hand side. We've got volume controls, volume mute, and other system controls on the right-hand side. This particular case, we want to show our laptop on the two monitors and the projector. So we touch computer, and you see the screen that has laptop and desktop. And then as sources in this room, we also have 8 floor plates that students can connect a laptop at each table that we can also show on the displays. So for now, we're going to connect our laptop. Listen for the bubble popping noise. That means you've touched the button properly, strong enough. We want to go laptop. We are going to send it to the projector, the Plasma 1 and Plasma 2. Keep in mind, the projector takes about 1.5 minutes for the lamp to fully illuminate. You should nearly instantaneously see your source on the plasma displays on the right and left of the projector screen. To make the connection of the student laptop at any of the given tables in the simulated classrooms, we do this. First, we make sure that our VGA cable that will connect to the floor is connected to the laptop. We've got a power extension here, and then our mini audio is connected into the headphone jack. Keep in mind, the VGA only connects into one place and only connects one way, so you can't get that part wrong. Once those connections are made, we go to the floor box. In each floor box, which are marked and numbered, there's a black connect plate. It's marked with Crestron is the brand name. It has a VGA connection just like on the laptop, and it has a miniature audio connection just like the headphone jack on the laptop. There's a yellow and green light to further identify it, but it also tells you that that plate is live, powered, and ready for you to connect. It is a little awkward to reach in and do this, but again, it only connects one way. The audio connects right above the green light on the floor plate. Your computer is now connected to the floor plate and the AV system in the room. Also in the floor box are a couple of network connections. and power for the table and the laptop charger. They're located around the perimeter of the box. One of the main features of the room is to be able to switch between a computer or laptop connected at one of the tables from the teacher desk. Remember that the audio switches with it when you make that transition. To do that, you go to the touch panel, select, in this case, table 8 is what we have connected, and then send to our various display devices. In each of the simulated classrooms, there's a document camera. On the document camera, you can display transparencies, pages of books, your notes, objects, and it'll show a 3D image. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it. On each of the document cameras is a ring. There's a little note here that says pull ring and lift. So to bring it into the operating position, put your finger in it, lift it up, and you're ready to go. One other adjustment that you might have to make would be to adjust the camera itself. The power button, manual power on, is next to the red. You're ready to go. The document camera on the desktop here will have a remote control that has all the functionality, all the things you can do with the document camera. For the most basic functions, right on the head of the camera is a dial that zooms in, zooms out, and it's preset to autofocus. So it takes the worry of having to get it just right. The machine will do it for you. It also has a freeze function, so if you're changing out pages, let's say, you push freeze, it captures that picture while you insert a new document, touch freeze again, and you've got a live picture. After you have the camera in position and the document camera on, you return to the touch panel. On the left-hand side, you have a backlit button titled Document Camera. You touch it, and then you select the displays you want it to go to. So we're going to go to the projector, the plasma, and the plasma. And it switches for you. And remember, the camera is real time. So whatever you place here is real time. If you want to make your students sick, you shake all this stuff here and they'll get motion sickness. Another feature of the room inside the teacher desk is a built-in DVD VCR player. To play a DVD, press the open button. Takes a second for the drawer to open. You load your media. Press the open close button again. On the touch panel, on the left-hand side, you've got a backlit button called DVD VCR. Press that. All the functions of the DVD player appear here. So we would, again, select the sources where we want this to play. The audio is going to shift with it, and your movie will appear on the screens. An added control function of the system is a button on the touch panel called System. So you return to the control panel, push the System button, and it gives you finite controls over the projector and the two plasmas. Power on and off for the 3 displays, and 2 additional features, controls for the projector. The first being blank, which allows the instructor, by pushing blank, it shades the lamp, darkens the screen, so that the instructor can change presentations, can check email without the students witnessing their mouse skills. The second button is auto. That would be used in the case where everything is on, everything is connected, you're seeing an image, but the laptop image is not quite exactly in sync with the projector image. Push that, the projector goes out, syncs up the input from the laptop, and makes everything on the same plane. At the conclusion of your class, it's very, very important that you shut down the system. And the way to do that is return to the touch panel. On the right-hand side is a backlit exit button. Press that. Then the touch screen asks you two questions. Yes, are you sure you want to turn it off? Or no, you do not. In this case, we answer yes by pushing the green button. The displays turn off, the projector turns off, and the system shuts itself down.